Let's talk about another amazing technology known as Cloud Supply Chain Management Platforms, or simply Cloud SCM. Imagine you are managing a large global consumer goods company with factories, warehouses, and distributors spread across multiple continents. Previously, coordinating demand forecasts, inventory levels, and shipments across different regions was slow and prone to errors. This is because each division used separate systems, and integrating data for decision-making took days. Delays, stockouts, and excess inventory were common problems. Now imagine if all these functions, planning, procurement, logistics, and analytics, were connected on a cloud platform accessible anywhere in real time. That's exactly what Cloud SCM platforms solve. So what is a Cloud SCM platform? In simple words, it is a supply chain management system hosted on the cloud, allowing companies to access, manage, and analyze their supply chain operations over the internet. Unlike traditional on-premise systems, Cloud SCM doesn't require heavy IT infrastructure and provides scalability, flexibility, and real-time collaboration. The concept of cloud-based SCM started gaining popularity around the early 2010s as companies sought faster, more collaborative, and cost-effective solutions for global supply chains. There are different types of Cloud CM platforms. Our first type is planning and forecasting platforms, which focus on demand planning, inventory optimization, and production scheduling. Our next type is execution and logistics platforms, which manage procurement, order fulfillment, transportation, and warehouse operations. Another type is collaborative Cloud SCM platforms, which allow multiple supply chain partners, suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors to work together in real time, sharing data, updates, and forecasts. Hopefully you can already see how each type addresses different needs, but together creates a fully connected supply chain. Now let's understand how a Cloud SCM platform works step by step. First, data from various sources such as sales orders, inventory, production schedules, and supplier shipments is uploaded to the cloud platform. Second, the platform consolidates and processes this data, giving managers real-time visibility of the entire supply chain. Third, analytics and predictive algorithms provide insights, like expected stockouts or transportation delays. Fourth, and very important, stakeholders across locations can collaborate on the same platform to adjust plans, approve purchase orders, or reroute shipments. Finally, the system tracks outcomes, continuously improving forecasts and operational efficiency. That's amazing learning because it shows how Cloud SCM brings speed, transparency, and collaboration to complex supply chains. Some well-known cloud-based supply chain management platforms used globally include SAP Integrated Business Planning, SAP IBP, widely used for demand planning, inventory optimization, and supply chain visibility. Oracle SCM Cloud covers procurement, logistics, order management, and supply chain planning. Kinaxis RapidResponse, popular for real-time supply chain planning and what-if scenario analysis. Infor CloudSuite SCM supports manufacturing, warehouse, and logistics operations in the cloud. Yonder, formerly JDA Software, specializes in AI-driven planning, forecasting, and retail supply chains. Now, how is cloud different from on-premise servers? On-premise servers are hosted and maintained at a company's own facilities. Companies are responsible for hardware, software installation, maintenance, upgrades, and security. Cloud platforms, on the other hand, are hosted on the provider's infrastructure and accessed over the internet. The vendor manages updates, scalability, security, and uptime. The benefits of cloud platforms over on-premise servers include 1. Scalability. You can scale resources up or down based on demand without buying new hardware. 2. Lower upfront costs. No heavy investment in servers, storage, or IT infrastructure. 3. Accessibility. Authorized users can access the system from anywhere in real time. 4. Faster deployment. Cloud systems can be implemented and upgraded faster than on-premise solutions. 5. Automatic updates and maintenance. The vendor handles software updates and security patches. 6. Better collaboration. Teams across locations and suppliers can work together on the same platform seamlessly. 7. Disaster recovery and reliability. Cloud providers typically offer high availability, backups, and disaster recovery capabilities. In short, Cloud SCM platforms offer flexibility, speed, cost efficiency, and real-time collaboration, which is very difficult to achieve with traditional on-premise services.